In the petition, the complainants had urged that Section 25 of the Computer Misuse Act 2011 was inconsistent with the contravened Article 29, Section 1 of the Constitution, which provides for freedom of expression. The Constitutional Court Quorum, which had the petition, was led by Deputy Chief Justice Richard Butera. Others are Justice Kenneth Kakuru, Elizabeth Musoke, Geoffrey Kirabwire, and Lady Justice Monica Mujenyi. The lawyer of the petitioner, Aaron Chiza, welcomed the unanimous verdict by the justices. He noted that Section 25 of the Computer Misuse Act 2011 generalizes offences concerning electronic media, which is against Article 29 of the Constitution.
If you say something and I am offended and I'm in power, I'm in government, I can get you to court and your liberty will be taken away, you'll be locked up in prison. So it was ambiguous, it was sweeping, it was broad, and that's why the Constitutional Court is saying no to this law, because it's not an offense that can easily be defined. That's the biggest difficulty with the law, and that's why they are saying it's null and void. It's a law that's ambiguous. It can be used against anyone, anytime, for saying anything, as long as they are using a computer.
According to Chiza, the court ruling also affects the already existing cases being prosecuted on the basis of the just nullified law, and therefore the cases should be withdrawn from the court.
These cases have to collapse. All cases based on this offense have to collapse because the Constitutional Court is very clear saying stop enforcing it. So no one has the authority to enforce it. Not the police, not the courts. They have to stop enforcing this law, and they have to stop those cases, or at least portions of those cases that are relying on this section of the law.
Council also urged that the recently amended Computer Misuse Act of 2022, which criminalizes some internet activities, could also fall prey since it was rooted on the 2011 Computer Misuse Act.
The law, which is bad, which has been declared now, was inadequate to oppressors who use computers. They decided to tighten the belts, the nuts even more, hence the Computer Misuse Amendment Act of 2022. But just like this section, it will also suffer a knockout from the Constitutional Court, because this is a very good precedent, which we hope will be applied and relied on in attacking the subsequent amendment, because it is worse.
However, it's still not clear if the Attorney General, the Chief Government Legal Advisor, will appeal the Constitutional Court verdict in the Supreme Court. Joy Nabulo, Church of Uganda, Family TV, News at 8.